Yo, you guys, it's Badger here, and today we're gonna have a look at this little child or children's bicycle bike. And as you see, it is for really small children. It's like for, yeah, I don't know, maybe like 4 years, 5 years olders. And it has everything you would want. It also has some security reels if you want to install them. We did not, because actually when your kid is sitting on here, that definitely can reach the ground with the feet, so it won't fall over for sure. And yeah, basically this is pretty satisfying. You can easily adjust everything, just build it up easily, and it works quite well. Um, and yeah, I mean, it's pretty much all there is to it. So I would say that's enough for today. My name is Badger, and I'm out, and I wish you a great one. See you in the next video. Bye bye.